Today I'm going to show you how to backtest strategies in TradingView. So to backtest any strategy, you do need one simple tool, and that is the Pine editor. So on the right hand side, you're going to go ahead and click on this Pine editor. I'm just going to remove this for now. And what you will simply see here is the name that you can give it over here. So we can just give it a name. So I'm just going to remove this because this is something I've done previously. Go ahead and say save. And what you want to do is paste in a script over here. Now you can get script from various communities within TradingView. However, I'm going to go ahead and just paste in a strategy which I asked ChatGPT to create for me for this sample. Now you can see over here, everything is complete. You will have a save button here. So this is already saved and you're going to go publish it if you'd like to publish it. Now, you can see over here that you can open this editor in another window. But for now, I'm simply going to close it completely. You'll come down over here. Now you will see the strategy report. Open up the strategy report. I'm going to open it up in full screen so that we can actually see it properly. And I'm going to just close the sidebar. Here you can see the metrics. You can see over here, you can change the settings and add alerts, download the data and open the strategy. You'll be able to see your total profit loss, max equity drawdown, your total trades, profitable trades, which is not very good, and then your profit factor. Now, this is just a sample, so this is not a script that could actually be used, but you'll be able to analyze all of this data, including performance, your returns, benchmark comparison, risk adjustment, and then the trades analysis. So that does not look good. And then all the rest of the details down over here. Now, if you'd like to see a list of the actual trades, you can simply click here. You'll see it'll give you the trade type, so long or short. The number is literally the actual number of trades. So that was the 315th trade. You'll see here the entry and the exit, and then the price, size, and all of the other details over here. Now you can change this date range as well. So you go up to the top right hand side. Here you can test it over the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and so forth. You can then also just collapse this. So you'll be able to see your chart again. And on the chart, you will actually see that its entry points and its indications are all plotted on this chart over here.